Enjoy the view of this 2014 BMW 528i. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, fog lamps, alarm, rear AC, aluminum wheels. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.